My name is Linda Hassan. I'm the lead key worker for the 18 to 25s, and I've been in this role for 2.5 years. I really wanted to improve my management skills and get a feel of management within LSCFT. I have been in management roles before in my teaching career, and I'm familiar with the sort of generics of management, but wanted to further develop my skills so it would align properly with the role that I'm currently in. My favourite part of the programme, I think it was session 3, which was the wellbeing session, and I really enjoyed it for several reasons. Firstly, it was presented really, really nicely. It was really engaging, and it covered a lot of information which I was aware of but didn't really know the intricacies to. So it helped me understand what I can offer to the people that I'm working with in their times of need. Confidence and knowledge are the two things that I would say. Confidence with the fact that I am more likely to engage with my team more in order to support them as best as I can within their role, and knowledge of the outstanding things that LSCFT has on offer for people within the trust in the workforce. I would absolutely 100% do it. I think the more you know about the place that you work for and how to work with people is not only going to help you in your current role, but any role that you go to in the future. The people who ran the course were so knowledgeable, so understanding, and also one of the things that I really loved about that course is that they gave us the opportunity to collaborate and talk and experience people's roles within different sectors of the trust. 100%, and I think one of the good things about that is that you do learn about services that are out there that you haven't had knowledge of before, and then that can help you in your professional life and also with the service users and patients that you're supporting. There is some listening involved, and I struggled with that because I do have ADHD. However, there were reasonable adjustments made for that, and that was really, really good. I could come off and on camera a lot of the time, which is really helpful for me, but the collaboration, we were put into different meeting rooms within the team's calls, and we were able to share best practice and come up with solutions for the different sort of situations that we were presented with. Yes, the finance section. I'm not particularly well versed with numeracy, although my skills aren't lacking, but it was really interesting to see within the company, within the trust, how projective finance looks like, budgeting and that kind of thing. I have worked with budgets before, but obviously not in this capacity. So it was a real learning experience, and it definitely pushed me out of my comfort zone. 100%. I had an individual within my team who was really struggling with mental health, and I was able to signpost them appropriately to services that are offered by the trust specifically to employees. And that was literally the day after we had that session about wellbeing. So I was so thankful for that information, and having used those platforms before myself, they are honestly so helpful. So the more you know about what's on offer, the easier your work life is going to be, and then your work-life balance is going to be amazing. It shows the trust's commitment to you as an employee, and I think that is invaluable and quite often not seen with a lot of companies within the world really. And you have those opportunities to grow and to go in ways and still remain within the trust and have that support, and that is invaluable. Educating, engaging, satisfying.